Hello everybody, Main Dip is here. Just out driving around. So I thought I'd get a video out. I get a video out while I was out here. Just out driving around, I guess. So, just the doors locking. But, got me a nice little spitter here. But yeah. So I just decided to get one out, because why not? So we're just out. And no, we ain't in my truck. I actually sold my truck. Let me actually get a lip in. If you guys haven't noticed, I went back to pouches. It's just quicker in this situation now that I started my own business and all. It's just easier to put one in, and I'm just out working, I guess. It's just a lot easier. But, we'll just open this right up and put one in. And I'm actually working right now. Well, just got done with one job, but so we just got done with one job, so now we're on to the next. So we're going to do that. And I'm not gonna lie, this is actually my first time making a YouTube video while I'm driving. So if it works out good, then we'll do more while I'm out driving. But my buddy was one of my buddies in Vogue. I always make my YouTube videos in my room. Well, he's like, well, why don't you try doing something else, like somewhere else, kind of. And there's a little mouse that just ran across the road. I almost hit him. That would have been bad. But yeah, so this is my first time making it while I'm out driving. So if it works out good, then we'll do more while I'm out driving. Of course, right now it's kind of easy because it's on my computer, but but kind of can't really go live on the computer. Unless you have internet. And unless you don't have internet, then it's not so easy. Think about it. So I have to stop at my house. I gotta grab my sunglasses. I left my sunglasses at home. Stupid me. Who the hell leaves their sunglasses at home when they're going to work? I mean, the sun's not out right now, so I guess it doesn't really matter. But I guess it doesn't really matter. I don't really need them, I guess. But what I do need is the phone, just in case my customers or something, calling me or something. I do have a lot of text messages though. I can't leave my phone down for fucking 5 minutes. My phone's already blowing up. So nice little red car. There's a red car. It's pretty nice. So swerving the other lane. So another thing that you guys should probably know is that if I'm making videos while I'm out driving, I have road rage pretty good. So I guess. So if I end up making a video while I'm out driving, I end up swearing because stupid drivers out there don't know how to drive. Here I am talking. I've only had my license for about 2 years now. I'm already telling other people how to drive. But I did sell my truck. For those of you that didn't know that. It's a dangerous little spot right there. Coming off a nice side road, and there's a hill right there. And the road's like right at the top of the hill, so all the cars that come up the hill, you can't really see them. So, I guess it's just not it's not really a good, it's still sitting. Just turn it. Uh-oh, we got some fishermen out here. What if he's gonna jump? He's looking down like he's gonna jump. I was hoping he would have jumped. There's some nice cold ass water though, thinking of that. It'd be really cold. So, I think it's actually kind of interesting because if you're out driving, there's some interesting things like, you know, like these people are building a house. I mean, they got the foundation down. Well, they're gone now. Of course, it's like 4 o'clock, so everything usually gets done about 4 or 5. So, but they're building the house. They got the foundation and everything. But basically, like just out driving, you see just some pretty cool shit. More than just, you know, you're just sitting in your room just making videos and shit. People are probably wondering who the fuck I'm talking to. Again, I got fucking 4 heads. I have a lot of people that look at me like I got 4 heads, like fucking retards. Like they think I'm fucking stupid, I'm fucking talking to myself. They don't understand that I'm fucking making a YouTube video. Like, you guys know what I'm saying? It's just, yeah. But, you know. There's the new trucks and the cars and shit, the new lights and everything like that right there, like the 2014s and shit, you know, 2015s and the fucking new lights in those things are so fucking bright at night, like they'll be behind you and you don't even fucking know. Like, it's fucking bright as fuck. Especially when they get up on your ass and they're right on your ass and they're fucking bright. You can't see shit. Like, really? Like, get off my ass. Like, what's the whole point of being on my ass if you're just... I don't know. I bitch a lot. You guys didn't know that. That's just who I am. But, you know, also now that my grandparents found out that I dip, they go to church and shit, so they don't really like that stuff. I mean, my mom smokes, my uncle smokes, pretty much my whole family smokes. I'm the only one in my family that dips. Well, besides my brother. I'm trying to get him to quit. He's younger than I am, so I don't want him to, you know, start too young. Well, here I am, I've been talking about dipping since I was like 12. So, I obviously shouldn't be the one that's talking, so. But, it's whatever, dude. I haven't been down there in a while, honestly. The covered bridge, I used to go down there and swim a lot. I used to jump off the bridge, but it was illegal. So you weren't supposed to do it, and they had signs saying don't jump from the bridge. And there used to be like a little, you know, kind of like a hole on the side of the bridge where you could go and jump off the bridge. But you weren't supposed to do it, but nobody really cared, so they just went ahead and did it anyway. Like, nobody follows the rules. Nobody ever does. But my buddy, my friend Henry, he watches my videos. He was watching one of my videos today while we were in class. We're sitting there fucking doing OSHA and shit. So, you know, just watching our videos and shit, and watching one of my videos, and he told me to, my next video, you know, don't make it in my room. He's like, if I did, then he'd be pissed at me. So, I don't like it when my friends get pissed at me. So I just figured, you know, why don't we just do it now while I'm in the truck. So, really good bass fishing at that pond there. I caught a lot of fucking bass in there. But, yeah. I like fishing, dude. It's great. Fishing is, fishing and hunting are the two favorite things I like to do other than dip. Well, dipping is one of my favorite. You know? And making YouTube videos. It's a nice little old car right there, eh? Probably asking too much for it, though. That's in a shitty condition. I think my brakes are going in the truck. Every time I gotta hit the brakes, they just squeal a little bit. Have to get those checked out. I don't know what's making that noise, but I don't like it. Hey, you better stay there, bitch. Tried to back out. Shouldn't see me coming, see the brakes. Gotta fucking stay there. You don't fucking hit me. You know, when you're driving your parents' cars, you're just take on a lot of responsibility. So if something happens, so if you get into an accident or something in your parents' car, you know, it's on you. It's on you. Other than your parents, right? Fucking school bus. Jesus Christ. Yeah, go not turn down that road. One kid? That's it? Cool. Sweet. Oh, I can make it around this car? While hitting the curb or hitting that car or something? Yeah, plenty of room. Plenty of room! Yeah, maybe I think I'm talking to myself. But I'm really not. I'm talking to you guys. The main dippers. Oh, jeez. Well, thank God I'm not hauling the trailer today. I will be next week, though. I'm just getting the lawns and properties and shit all ready to go to mow by next week. So, it's pretty easy. Pretty easy right now, so. Where'd you fucking go, dude? You want to stick out any further? Fuck you. You've been honking your horn at me. What the fuck you honking your horn at? Fucking turning down the rotary and fucking bastards and fucking honks this word at me. He's a fuck. I hate it when fucking people do that. It pisses me the fuck off. Jesus, dude. Can't wait to buy my own mud jug. Get rid of spitting in these fucking bottles. It sucks. Especially when your spit is nice and stringy when you first spit. That happens to me every morning. You know, when I wake up, I'll put a lip in. That's what happens. I do have to go to Staples today. I gotta buy me some, I gotta buy a receipt book for my business. Keep all the receipts, make sure I'm getting paid enough. So, wow. So, yeah, so I thought I'd get a video or two, guys, while I'm just out driving around. Apologize for it. People fucking litter, dude. Fucking trash bag on the fucking side of the road. Dude, what's the point of littering, dude? When a cop catches you, you get in big trouble. Alright, so I think that's all I got for you guys for right now. Just remember, just keep packing your spit. Just living life, I guess. Just hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. So, yeah. There's main dippers for you. So, just have a great time, and just keep packing and spitting. So, just remember that. Alright? So that's all I got for you guys. Alright, peace.
Yay!